Welcome to Auto Show. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic hatchbacks in the Indian market, the all-new 2025 Maruti Suzuki WagonR, redesigned for the modern driver. This car combines practicality, style, and cutting-edge technology. Stick around as we take a closer look at everything the WagonR has to offer. Maruti Suzuki has given the WagonR a fresh new look for 2025, making it more dynamic and sophisticated than ever before. The signature tall boy design remains, but it now features sleeker headlights, a bold front grille, and a more aerodynamic shape. The sharper contours and updated LED lighting elements give the car a premium edge while still retaining its practical design ethos. The alloy wheels and dual-tone paint options are new additions that further enhance the WagonR's appeal. It's a car that stands out, whether you're zipping through city traffic or parked on your driveway. Step inside the WagonR, and you'll notice a well-thought-out cabin design for maximum comfort and convenience. The 2025 model comes with an upgraded dashboard layout, featuring a floating infotainment screen that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The steering-mounted controls and digital instrument cluster make the driving experience seamless and tech-friendly. One of the highlights is the increased use of high-quality materials, giving the interior a more premium feel. The spacious cabin continues to impress, with ample legroom and headroom for passengers in both rows. Whether you're commuting solo or with family, the WagonR ensures everyone travels in comfort. Under the hood, the 2025 WagonR offers improved performance and efficiency. It comes with two engine options, a 1.0-litre K10C petrol engine and a more powerful 1.2-litre dual-jet petrol engine. Both options are tuned to provide a smoother ride, whether you're navigating congested city roads or cruising on the highway. For those conscious about running costs, Maruti Suzuki continues to offer a factory-fitted CNG option, making it one of the most economical cars in its segment. The car's mileage figures are impressive, promising to save you money at the pump while reducing your carbon footprint. Safety has taken a big leap forward in the 2025 WagonR, equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and a reinforced body structure. It ensures maximum protection for its occupants. Higher variants also come with advanced safety features such as reverse parking sensors, a hill hold assist system, and even ESP for added stability. The addition of connected car technology is another standout feature. With the integrated Suzuki Connect app, you can remotely monitor and control various functions, like locking the doors, tracking the car's location, or checking fuel levels. The WagonR has been a favorite in the Indian market for over 2 decades, and the 2025 model builds on its legacy of reliability and practicality. Whether you're a first-time car buyer, a small family, or someone looking for an affordable yet feature-packed car, the WagonR ticks all the right boxes. Its blend of modern features, fuel efficiency, and affordability makes it a tough competitor in the hatchback segment. The extensive Maruti Suzuki service network is another reason why buyers continue to trust this brand. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki WagonR is available in multiple variants to suit a wide range of budgets and preferences. While the starting price is highly competitive, the higher trims offer incredible value for the features they bring to the table. Whether you're opting for the standard petrol version, the CNG variant, or a fully loaded top model, there's a WagonR for every name. So, there you have it, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki WagonR, a car that has evolved with the times yet remains true to its roots. It's practical, stylish, and packed with features that make it an ideal companion for Indian roads. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Auto Show for more car reviews and updates. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned.